Hello everyone, this is Michael Song from Hisense VF Americas. At the beginning of this year, along with the outbreak of COVID-19 globally, people start to pay more and more attention on the indoor air quality. It's easy for us to prevent the visible threat, but what shall we do to protect ourselves and our loved ones from the invisible enemies in the air, such as PM 2.5, different kinds of bacteria, virus, and formaldehyde, etc. Hisense CAC, as a professional HVAC equipment manufacturer and comfort air solution provider, we started the technical research of indoor air quality since many years ago. On the basis of cooling and heating, Hisense has developed and applied lots of advanced technologies to secure good indoor air quality from 6 aspects: temperature, humidity, freshness, cleanliness, air distribution, and noise reduction. Hisense CAC dedicates to build up a healthy and comfort living and working space to improve our consumers' living quality and happiness. Now, in my hand, I have an up-to-date indoor air quality product, Hisense Air Pure Kit. Next, it will be my pleasure to introduce some key features of this small device. As part of Hisense indoor air quality solution, Hisense Air Pure Kit can be equipped into a Hisense VF indoor unit during the assembly process at the factory or during the local installation at the job site. It can effectively remove various pollutants in the air and inhibits such as airborne bacteria and virus by generating negative ions to purify the air conditioner space so as to keep us safe and healthy. It can also decompose the harmful formaldehyde into carbon dioxide and water to achieve air purification for a newly constructed house and office. Moreover, the numerous ions generated by Hisense Air Pure Kit can take the initiative to capture the dust in the air, making a negatively charged dust and speed up the floating dust falling and quickly drop to the ground. Furthermore, Hisense Air Pure Kit also has a function of skin care. The negative ions can attach to our skin's water molecules to slow and inhibit the evaporation of moisture and keep our skin elasticity and beauty.